If you are looking for a solutions to help grow your business in a modern day sales engagement solution, GetAFix Dealer Management software is the right choice for you. It consists of 5 distinct modules as you can see here. GetAFix lead management system captures all the prospects details including name, age, other demographic data elements and deal value plus whether deal is hot, warm or cold and who's the lead owner. If you already have a data in Excel format, it can be uploaded directly. GetAFix DMS provides you visibility into how deals are progressing. You can add multiple contact details, add members to collaborate, tracking each activities, presenting the vehicle's catalog, reminders, schedule and perform test drive activity, finally convert to a customer. Let's create the deal for Mr. Ravi. You can create the deal from your existing lead or you can create a direct deal. Each deal is associated to a pipeline and each pipeline can have multiple stages. Here in Contacts tab, you can add any additional contacts for the prospect with their demographic details. You can assign a member to a deal in your organization. When they log in with their respective credentials, they will be able to see the associated deal. You can engage with your customers through the Activity tab. Here you can call a prospect with a click to call button and document the conversation. You can send WhatsApp message with the predefined template. Similarly, you can send SMS, email and book appointment for a trial run and send proposal and many more. Product catalog is critical for the deal management. When a sales advisor is discussing with a prospect about his product choice, GetAFix DMS provides a complete catalog of all the vehicle, make, model, variants, functional or technical specification, and complete high definition multimedia images and videos. When the prospect show interest, you can associate the same to the deal. You can set a reminder for various activities. This will ensure all the members in the team get notified to perform a specific task. A sales advisor provides the test drive to prospective client. He or she can record which vehicle, timings and duration for test drive given, what's the odometer reading, test drive location. We can also configure sending OTP to client mobile to validate the test drive process. Any additional notes about the prospect or a deal can be captured in the Notes tab. Uploads is the most important tab in our DMS. You can upload all kinds of documents associated to the deal. For example, Aadhaar card, address proof, bank statement, payslip, etc. System can support PDF, Excel, images and other formats as well. Here in Deal 360, you can view the complete dashboard. Based on the progress, you can change the desired stage. System can also highlight if the deal is stagnated in a particular deal for more than certain days. Finally, when the prospect is ready to buy the product, we can convert the prospect to a customer by just click of a button. Once prospect is created for a customer, you can create a receipt for advance payments, registration fee, etc. Best part is GetAFix DMS provides all the documents required by the regulatory RTO forms, namely Form 18, Form 19, 20, 21 and Form 22. Finally, you can generate invoice for the vehicle. We support multiple templates for the invoice format. You can also capture information about the insurer and the financier for the hypothecation. Procurement. GetAFix DMS comes with the end-to-end procurement management process. You can create the purchase order with internal approval workflow. Once you receive the goods, you can create the purchase in Word or a GRN. If you receive a data in an electronic format from OEMs, you can upload it directly. System also takes care of inventory, return of goods, debit notes, barcode scanning, minimum and maximum stock levels, and many more. Reports and analytics. GetAFix DMS provides set of standard scan reports. To name a few, daily sales reports provides the insight, lead conversions, success and lost deals, deal progress via Kanban board, employee efficiency, prospect behavior, trend analysis across the months, also age-wise analysis and many more. Slice and dice. Unique report building tool comes with a part of GetAFix DMS. Your organization users can easily build reports without profound technical knowledge. You can build complex query with just a few drag and drop the data elements to a valuable insights. All reports are easily downloadable to multiple options like PDF, XLS, document, and it can be shared via email as well.